I received this package from Isntree. These are products from their hydrating collection, and today I'm going to be giving you guys the first impressions. We're going to be doing an unboxing, texture test, and everything in between. We're going to be talking about Isntree and everything inside this box, and I'm really excited about this video because I use Isntree's hyaluronic acid sun gel sunscreen and I love it a lot. I've even done a review of it on my channel before, so today I'm going to see what is inside this box. Both of us, we're going to see it. I'm going to talk, and if you're interested in any of these products, you're going to know more about it. Hey guys, my name is Matilda and welcome to my channel. So this is how the box comes in. It shows this research-backed Isntree sustainability-driven easy entry to active green, and has this paper with Isntree, and it has this leaflet with my name on it. Hi Matilda, easy entry to active green. There are 4 products inside this box and let's talk about them. So the first one is their best-selling Isntree ultra low molecular hyaluronic acid toner. This is a toner I've recommended a ton of times on my channel because it's a really good product. Now this toner has 14 layers of moisture. It's a quick absorbing hyaluronic acid toner. It deeply hydrates and smoothens the skin. This is what the toner looks like. It comes in 300 ml. So I'm curious to see how the texture is, and I'm gonna apply my hand like this. It's watery. It has no fragrance, but I can't see on the bottle if it is fragrance free, but doesn't have any smell to it. It's pretty lightweight and watery. So if you want to use this in your skincare routine, you're going to be using it after you finish cleansing your skin. This is a toner you can use in the morning and also at night. It doesn't have any active ingredients that will make your skin more sensitive to the sun. So it is good for all types of skin, including sensitive skin. There are 2 ways that you can use this product. You can apply it on a cotton pad and wipe your face with it, or you can put it on your hands and use it to tap on your face, whatever you prefer. Now the next product we have is the Isntree ultra low molecular hyaluronic acid serum. This is how it looks. I love the packaging. Oh my god, this looks so sleek. I just love the bluish tint and how it looks. I don't know how to explain it, but it looks really good. It has this vibe to it, this skincare vibe. So when you're using it, you feel really, I'm a skincare girly. I like the packaging a lot. I think it's really beautiful. It's similar to the packaging of the toner. If you can see, they look really similar. And I think that's the theme that we're going for. It looks good. This is a non-irritating firming serum that contains 14 layers of ultra-low molecular weight hyaluronic acid and fresh seawater from Ulyong Island. Deeply hydrates the dehydrated skin. This is consistent with what we have in the toner. Let's try this out. It doesn't have a smell the same way with the toner. This has a thicker consistency than the toner. It feels like an essence. I said it doesn't have a fragrance, but I can smell something. I just can't put my finger on it. It feels like a mixture of a gel moisturizer and a serum together. I just already know that this serum is going to give you that glass skin look because look at how it's appearing on my hands. So if you notice, when I applied the toner disappeared into my hands. It didn't leave anything. But with this serum, it's giving this glowy sheen to it. This is something you can use in the morning and night. If you want to apply it, you're going to apply it after your cleanser and toner. So it's going to be cleanser, toner, then this serum. If you're looking for hydration, I think this is going to give you that. So this is going to be really good for people that have dehydrated skin. How do you use this product? You just take 2 to 3 drops, apply it on your face, and simply tap it into your skin. The next product is the Isntree Hyaluronic Acid Watery Sun Gel SPF 50 PA++++ UVA/UVB. This product is something I'm really excited about because I love this sunscreen a lot. I did a video on it, like a detailed review on it. If you're interested, you can go check it out. But I loved it during the review. My only issue with it was that it was too small, like 50 ml. Nah, it was too small. I wish that they can make it a lot bigger. But in the meantime, let's see it. I've already done a video on it, but for people that have not watched the video, I'm just going to talk about the product. It's a sun gel, a water-based sun gel with 8 types of hyaluronic acid, and it supplies your skin with moisture and a fresh finish. This is how it looks. Pretty simple packaging. I don't want to waste it because it's expensive. So this sunscreen does not leave a white cast, and it also hydrates your skin. It is a very good sunscreen for people with dry to normal skin. If you have oily skin and you don't mind a dewy finish, you're gonna love this sunscreen. I love the sunscreen. It's very lightweight. Like when you apply the sunscreen, it feels like you don't even have anything on. So if you want something that won't be too heavy on your skin, because I know people complain about sunscreen being too heavy on their skin, you're going to like this sunscreen a whole lot. So this is how the finish looks. One thing I liked about this sunscreen was how it didn't leave a greasy finish. It didn't pile up. Like if you rub it in, it's not going to pile up, and it doesn't leave a white cast. So if you haven't heard about the brand Isntree, Isntree is a Korean skincare brand, and they're focused on hydration in the skin, sustainable skincare products. They have some holy grail products that people love a lot, and their products work well for people with sensitive skin, and I like how lightweight their products are. They're really consistent with that. Now, I said that the Isntree Hyaluronic Acid Watery Sun Gel was the one I was most excited for, right? I lied. Now, the one I am most excited for is the Isntree Hyaluronic Acid Airy Sun Stick. I actually wanted to get this sun stick, and I was already planning on buying it because I wanted to try it out and also do a review for you guys. So when they sent it to me, it was like, oh my god, thank you so much. So guys, you guys should wait for the review of this sun stick. But before then, let's talk more about it. This is a sun stick. It has an SPF of 50 plus, PA+++++, just the same as this one. So I'm curious if I would like this sun stick the way I like this one, because the sun stick can be good for everyday movements, because you know that you're supposed to be applying sunscreen every 3 to 4 hours. So having a sun stick that you can apply on your face and also apply on top of your makeup would be really good, because sometimes you're just on the go, you don't want to use your hands to apply the sunscreen, you just use the sun stick and just do like this. So it's gonna be good for that. Now, this is a lightweight sun stick with 8 types of hyaluronic acid. It helps retain moisture in the skin and protects it from strong UV rays. This has the exact same description as this one, so I'm actually getting more excited about it, because if they really made a sun stick that has this same type of vibe, I think they just scored. They just scored big time. So this is how the sunscreen looks. Portable. It has 22 grams. It's a bit small, just like the sun stick. Isn't I would really love if you guys can make your sun sticks and sunscreens bigger. This is it. It has this yellowish color to it. Yellowish green color to it. I don't know what color this is. So this is EE. I hope I've not done something. This is what it contains. I wish it was a lot more, but that's fine. Has a very smooth texture. Oh my god, I knew I did something. I broke it out. I knew I did something. I spot it. I felt a click. And yeah. Oh no, I know I did something. Broke out, but that's fine. It can still work. So it has this glowy look. When I do the review, you get more details on it, but this is how it looks currently, and it has very smooth texture. Doesn't look too shiny, but I will know once I do the review. These are all the products I received from Isntree. Thank you, Isntree, for sending me this product. I can't wait to try them on and give more detailed review. Now, the question is, who are these products for? These products are going to be good if you're trying to repair your skincare barrier, especially the hyaluronic acid serum and hyaluronic acid toner. When you're using this product, always apply a moisturizer on top of it to seal in the hydration it's going to give you, because it has a lot of hydration. Two words that come to my mind when I think about this product are lightweight and hydrating. So if those are things that you are looking for, I think you should definitely check this out. So I'm going to leave these products in the description box if you're interested in getting them. Now, my question for you is, have you tried any of these products right here? Let us know what the tea is. Give us your review in the comment section. Was it good? Was it bad? I want to know. We all want to know. Let us know in the comment section. Do you want to try out any of these products? Let me know in the comment section which one you would like to try. And any of these products you want me to do a deeper dive review on it, also let me know in the comment section. But anticipate the review I'm going to be doing on the sunstick, because I'm genuinely interested in it. I'm pretty optimistic about this collection, and I'll be trying them out and letting you guys know in subsequent videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to see me outside of YouTube, you can check me out on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, TikTok, or Mathildaduku. If you guys want a one-on-one skincare consultation with me, check out the link in my description box so you can book a skincare consultation with your girl. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Share these videos to your friends, because I'm your skincare mother. I give you guys all the tea and it's for free. So the least you can do is subscribe, like, share the video, watch the ads. Yeah. So yeah, I don't want to go, but I have to go. I really want to just keep talking with you guys, but yeah, it has to end. So see you guys in my next video. Bye.